Okay, Sharp, enjoy the vibes. Take your bags and find the rooms. Whoever was sleeping here, you are not allowed to have sex.
Baby, I like you. Give me all of you. Body is a 10-1 cause I'm on. You got me thinking about you when I would cheat you, baby. Ride with me, did it 2 by 2. Baby, do your thing, go left, go right. Up and down, baby, saga, saga.
And they say you shouldn't crack it. Eva, we halfway through anyway. What I always say, we halfway through anyway, but they say you shouldn't crack.
Ride with me, did it 2 by 2. Baby, do your thing, go left, go right. Up and down, baby, saga, saga. Baby, I'll shut back way like way. Ay, go left, go down. Baby, I'll shut back way like way. Ay, go right, go down. Baby, I'll shut back way like way. Ay, go left, go down. Baby, I'll shut back way like way. Ay, go right, go down. Play with the waist, don't waste no time. Feel alright with you, just you and I. Down in the sea, let's die. Play with the waist, don't waste no time. Feel alright with you, just you and I. Down in the sea, let's Scooby die.
If you crack that,
You like it?
and they say don't do it. Okay, cool. Let's be honest. Okay, I think the host himself. You'll be fighting demons not to do it. It's already been like halfway through, gang. It's already halfway. Let's keep it apart. They will do it, gang. Ha! Exactly, man, gang. They will do it. They're halfway through. And imagine now, you're stiffer than a rocket launcher. And they say don't do it. In this position, gang, okay, bro. Okay, keep it up,
Baby, go on, you can touch it. Baby, on go, I can bite it. I can split it like a lightning. Hey, baby, put it
you're
in.
gonna crack and mute.
I told you. You got to sign up for this.
I remember that. Yes, cheat recalled it, bro. I'm saying this is not gonna last long. It's just like a young kinkinyana, you know what I'm saying? Like
I'm fucking my bitch in the pool.
and don't do it. And don't do it. I feel like they're doing it on purpose. What do y'all think? The show said do not kiss and they start doing this. You know?
The cheeky fool.
Why did you fool me?
I mean your energy, you match me. Temangikbheka nje yo masibona.
What do you mean?
Then device avela connectable. Even though the connection be unstable nyana, but
I'm still trying to understand what do you mean being fanaging away? What like define yourself as a person and understand.
In one way nje uhlakaniphile from bonke labantu abakhona labana. And isingesi sakho isizwele sisha.
They look like siblings. Look at this guy. Look at
device avela connectable. Even though
look at her nose, right?
she be unstable nyana, but
I'm still trying to understand.
This nose and his nose is the same. They look like siblings.
And what do you mean being fanaging away? What like define yourself as a person and understand.
In one way nje uhlakaniphile from bonke labantu abakhona labana.
Look at that nose. Look at that nose. I'm speaking facts. Facts. I need the button. Facts. Bro, I'm speaking facts. Like it's like you're cracking a sibling at this point.
Ngeso sakho isizwele singishayile ingoma ukusingenza ngithi vuvu.
So you think you're smart?
Yes, I am. For the fact that ngwazile ukuthi ngiscore wena as my date.
Okay, no mbuzo ke.
Yeah, what's the question?
how do I ask it? Careful. The ankle really is.
No, khuleka la. Ngayenza unyaka wonke ngaze ngikukhothe no bones.
Sky boy.
Bafana! Let's take it.
Ngayenza unyaka wonke
Some
ngimanye.
people are into armpits, by the way. So if you listen, we don't judge.
Christian, I was singing, right?
Yeah, I am.
Why?
Don't wipe off the makeup.
I'm heartbroken. 2 months back,
Oh.
came from a relationship where I was cheated on. So
This guy's already fucking up. You know how? You don't do this. You don't do this. You don't do this. He's not sympathy forming her, gang. This mom is gonna cheat. I called it, bro.
this girl I was with,
I called it. She's cheating on this bro.
I was with her for like 5 years. Then it happened, Uguti, she fell pregnant and I thought it was my child.
Come here.
Oh nah, boy. She better cheat on the crap on it.
Oh, like 6 ago, right now,
She lost the
I'm
respect. The
over it.
respect is gone now. You were sensitive, bro. You cry a lot. Get out of here, man. Go play.
Same corner, man.
Nah,
You gonna stay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't giving it cheating.
Ubuhle bakho bongithinda le ekunene ekujuleni kweminjonjo mntambeni inhliziyo yami awubheke nje masomoyizela
Kodwa ke indaba esiraso lalaphi?
awukwahle sithando sami abanalo yini icansi la
Sisegoli lana icansela negoli.
awu kanti sizola
Khona amakhawuchi la wenzani wena? Icanselani?
sizuza amakhulu
Ubani uzofuna icansi egoli?
kahle sithando sami mina yazi ngathi angikudelanga futhi nokubona usukume phela khona
Ngithi abo yini into engikhuluma ngayo le ngesikwazi nokuthi ngikhombise izinto eziright.
kanjani manje
Sokuba wonke umuntu lana. Jonge resnati wona.
Man sizayilungisa man lonto intoni kani?
So nathi mina bathu bahlaya. Kinike ntsapha.
Susumansi sayilungisa.
Kanjani?
Relax.
Kanjani?
can't lie. Me personally, if it was my hand, I walk in a room, I'll blow up that shit. Well, like I said, I get inside, I turn the room into a Call of Duty lobby on some shit. Like I said, me and my hand are sleeping here, gang. Get out of here, man. Like, give it a buck. Keep it a buck. Just do that thing, your hand's good. I'm on that.
How many days?
I'll fight it.
Yekele kumi yonke le way yabo.
Mina ngibona yena njengomuntu right.
When? No, you got the looks, but I don't know who you really are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, so I can't really judge you on your looks. Looks, you're 10 out of 10, but personality, I don't know. So far, so good.
Khathele mina manje.
Khathele
Lekela pile.
Ngisakhuluma ngikuthemba nawe.
And there's a young sipong with it.
Hey, you get us something for us over. Could you not making anything better?
Ay, ntombazana. Baby. Phela, yazi kuyanibheka mama.
Nothing
khana leni sipese siright lezi kuthulekile mana bakithoza
ngihlala phansi. Khuleka hawo.
I don't have the capacity. I don't have the capacity. My bones.
Nganti.
oy Kosa yini manje njani manje
Usikhuleka. Usiletha kachi. Izinto ezidingathule.
hey nayi lento ngiyifunayo Nkosi yami
Uzwani la?
khona lento efudumezayo thina sami khona lento esindayo
Lapho kabona lutho cabanga.
usho kanje
Hayi bengisagqokile nje.
futhi ngisazokhala yo
Uyazazi intambo zesigini.
He's tired already, gang. Like, this is too heavy. He wants to push her away. We can see, gang.
Ngizobiza nge-G-string. Wakwayibamba.
awusapha
Yazi G-string.
awe ma
Kusase-early ha.
kodwa sondela ngokuthi
Paul. You skip that
Where you
part.
found me cheating on you.
Getting that
Break
way.
loose. Usathana ngasuka le ezela.
Who is hell?
Hell is me. Serious. Sikushiya ngemassage nyani. Akhathala.
Khathele kodwa. Bari sokusemlano.
Leli lakho. ngadla nakulo. No, like serious.
Siso.
Massage.
Fine. Space.
Yeah, so ngisakutshela ke ukuthi usathana ngasuka le ezulwini or kwayela ezela. Ngabulala umuntu ngawe.
So I'm the one who cheated, but you're gonna kill the person or attack the person. Wait.
Ngibulala yena cause akusoy problem.
But I'm the one who went. Hi guys. Hi Fluffy. Hi. Iris, can you please help me with my t-shirts?
What's a dog?
Where's
Can
your
you please unbutton?
Good
Where's your man?
But I'm asking you because you're next to me.
Where's your man?
Oh my God, Iris. Iris.
Sisi. Okay.
Where's
Awukahle nawe ngilutho. So kuwo wonke amadoda ogcwele indlu vele wabona ukuthi ngiqondo yami.
Mara uya ngithi useduze nami. Why ke bulela zizulweni? Kuma awufileni namusi.
Ngizoqhwaba
Uqhwabana.
My sister, they will break you. Like you don't have the capacity. You don't have the capacity.
Sisi unendoda ne. Unendoda ne. Unendoda ne. No way. Ungangipush. Thinta bani.
They put you in airplane mode. Please leave. Girl. You would say she was taking off though. She was on the runway.
No way. Ungangipush. Thinta bani. Ngasuka wena uthinta bani.
Mina kushaya yedwa. Zokushaya yedwa thatha ngijwayela wena kahle. Ngijwayela wena. Angijwayela wena.
Angijwayela ukushaya le ndoda yakho ke mina ngisapheli. Shani ngibangqone babili. Yini usa
We see what you do.
Sis.
uzongidedela wena. Ngizojwayela uyakhuluma umuntu. Uzomthatha. Ngipha le nto.
Wait. Let's do this.
Just what I did.
Hit him from the behind now. Come on, man. Be a man. Be a man. Like this guy is scared. No way you're gonna sing as and that's the only thing you do it. Me personally, I wouldn't take that level of disrespect. No way, they're shop holding you, gang. I can't do that. I can't lie. You'll meet God. No way, but if I have to go home, fetch a young boss will go for you. I'll make that thing.